Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Okay, so we've procured 13 Bolero vehicles, the flag office today. So we've had a shortage of vehicles, as you know, and there was a lot of difficulty. We were hiring vehicles, taking vehicles from other departments. So today, I don't think we're going to have any more problems, and I think each vehicle will be dispatched to different areas. So everybody should be able to move around and I think get their work done also quickly. No more excuses anymore that there were no vehicles, so we couldn't go for inspections or do various other things.
Madam, there are shortage of Mamladar in this Salshet Taluka collectorate. So how are we doing?
We're working out also a mechanism where we could fill out some posts which are vacant. So that will also happen. I can understand that it's a little difficult because due to the shortage of staff. But we are working on that and we'll do that soon.
In every time when you visit this collectorate, there are problems highlighted.
Yes, so the first time that I came here, the problems are highlighted and PWD is supposed to be doing the work. So PWD looks after the building, the maintenance of the building, and the file is cleared from our side and it's with PWD and work is actually going on. See, the problem is with the toilets. They had sensors at the flushing system. That is not supposed to be. You can't have sensors in a building like this where it's been used, like so many people come, public use the toilet so much or the washrooms, and I think the sensors failed and it was very expensive to replace it also. To replace it and put sensors back again. So that's the only reason it took some time, but work is going on now.
We have been given the chainsaws which we will be handing over to the police station, which would be helpful in enhancing the capacity of our disaster management cell. Also for the vehicles, I would specially thank sir and ma'am for this, so that now our field officers would have vehicles and it would also ease pressure on other departments, vital of which departments which we requisition for our work also. So this will go a long way in enhancing our efficiency.